Hey, beautiful moms. Welcome back to Life with Naturally Nikki, where we celebrate the journey to self discovery, especially after divorce. All right. Now, I'm Nikki, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that I know very well. All right. Now, it's earning passive income from home. Now, whether you're just adjusting to life post divorce or you're just looking to boost your financial independence with some gains, I got some ideas for you, and you don't want to miss this. Now, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and make sure that you hit the bell for notifications so that you don't miss a thing whenever it is that I post.
My skin is glowing, my energy is flowing, confidence growing, glow up is loading. When I look in the mirror, I see everything I want and everything I can ever need. I attract success.
Now, another disclaimer. I'm on my iPad for the first time, so I'm struggling with where to look at when I'm talking. So it looks like my eyes are kind of funny. It is, I don't know where I should be looking. So bear with me, y'all. I hope it don't look too weird. All right, let's get into it. Now, as a community of strong, determined women, understanding how to create income streams that's going to work for us while we focus on family, on self-care, and even full-time jobs is crucial. Now, passive income can be a game changer, especially for divorced moms like me looking to regain control over your financial future. So, what is passive income? It's just a way of saying that we're earning income with minimal daily effort. All right. We don't need to be adding more on our table when we already have so much to do. So, passive income is the dream. So, that is also the goal. Now, before we also get too far into the video, please know that this video, I'm going to be mentioning some affiliates that I am a part of. Now, what that means is I earn a little commission off of anything that I'm promoting to you guys. Now, I'm not just promoting anything. These are products that I actually use. These are, services that I actually use for myself. If you want to check them out, all links will be in the description below. All right, we got that out the way. First up, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. Now, this is something that you could do easily through Amazon Influencer Program or the Amazon Associate Program. All right. By recommending products that you love, maybe it's self-care essentials or parenting gadgets, you can earn a commission every time somebody makes a purchase through your links, just like I just told you in the disclaimer. So you can check out my Amazon storefront in the description below to see some of my favorite picks. Or if you want a separate video on how you can get started, let me know and I'll make one for you guys. Like, just let me know, keep me posted. Now, another way that you can make passive income. When I talk about passive income, I'm not talking about get rich quick, and I'm not talking about you gonna be rich tomorrow. Like, you actually got to put in some effort, and some of these you're gonna have to research. All right, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you some stuff that I use on my day to day to get me and keep me going. All right. Now, the second tip is investing in stocks or EFTs. Now, you can invest in stocks through platforms like Robinhood or Webull, and they can also guide you into what you need to choose. Not my TV acting up. They can also guide you into like which stocks you need to choose for the correct investment for you and your risk management. Now, remember, it's all about making your money work for you, even if you're sleeping. With that being said, do your research, but I have both Webull and Robinhood, so I'll link them both and you can choose whichever one that works for you the best. But again, do your research. All right, so another thing I know you guys probably heard all over the place is creating digital products, and they not lying. All right, so if you ever thought about creating digital planners or affirmation cards, with platforms like Stand Store, you can actually create and sell those products that resonate with your community's needs. And guess what? They're all available in my Stand Store below. So if you just want to check it out, I do have a free ebook that I created using Stand Store. So if you click on it, just so you could just see how it's going to be formatted and things of that nature. I'm not saying that you have to go out and do it, but you can do so much with Stand Store. I have digital affirmation cards on there. I also have a digital planner. I have a goal template for like moms, so that we're in Q2 right now. So if you guys know anything about me, I am a goal girly. Like, I'm always gonna plan. So if you're looking to like organize your plans and things of that nature, you need to check out my Stand Store so that you can see if any of those products will work for you, number one, and number two, how you can create a Stand Store to make products to work for other people. Now, if you're passionate about something and you know it well, that you can actually teach or make a course on it, you need a stand store, girl. Start putting that out there. Let's get you some coins. If you need another video on that, let me know in the comments and I'll give you a step-by-step basically on how to set up your stand store and things that you can actually promote and do on your stand store. So let me know if you're interested in that. Now, for all of my fellow content creators, if you are a YouTube girly or you make content on any of the other apps, you need a tool like TubeBuddy or vidIQ so that you can optimize your videos and increase your revenue. Now, that's just another form of passive income, but not only that, you need to make your content work smarter, not harder for you. All right. If you need an SEO companion, these apps are going to give you like keywords that you need. It's going to tell you what other people are researching so that it takes some of the hard work when you're trying to, sometimes we get in those ruts, like what should I be posting and things of that nature. So YouTube channel optimization tools will be your best friend. And the kicker is you don't only have to use it for YouTube. You could also use it for TikTok. You could use it for Instagram. You can use it for whatever you want. But I digress. Now, with the holiday season right around the corner, you have Memorial Day weekend coming up. You have Juneteenth, you have 4th of July, and all of those in between, Mother's Day, Father's Day. You can consider how you can leverage these tools and recommend holiday gifts and seasonal decor. Now, this is not only going to increase your affiliate earnings, but it's also going to keep your content relevant and engaging throughout all of the seasons. So make sure if you're going into affiliate marketing, whatever you choose, you can utilize like the seasonal trends as well. Now, I only mentioned Amazon Associate and the Amazon Influencer Program, but there are tons of affiliate programs out there. Like if you've ever seen anybody post like, check out my LTK, that's one of them. Magic Links. And I personally use Collective Voice. If you ever heard of Shop Style Collective back in the day, they just changed the name to Collective Voice. So I'll also put that in there because my tap to shop, you can shop, just shoppable videos. And I also have a TikTok shop. So if you're not following me on TikTok, what are you doing? I go live on TikTok every single Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. EST. So if you want to see me in action and you want to see what we're talking about in real time or things that I'm promoting on TikTok, that's where you need to be. Make sure you're following me there. Now, remember, every step you take towards building and these income streams is a step toward empowerment. Now, I wanted to give you a verse because I came across this verse in my devotion today, and it is from Zechariah 4:10. Let me pick it up real quick. My bad, y'all. All right, so it is from Zechariah 4:10, and it says, "Do not despise these small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin." So basically what he's saying is in this verse, God can't bless steps that you never take. And he can't, help a mission that you never start. So you got to get the ball rolling. You have to be proactive and you have to get out there. If something is on your heart and it's on your mind to get started, just start. It's not the end of the world. And guess what? If it's not successful, nothing's going to blow up. Nothing is going to happen. It's just another chance for you to try again from experience. Now you already know what doesn't work and what does work, and you can like put them together and come up with something greater. All right. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments. I need to know what you guys are thinking because maybe y'all don't want to see videos like this and then I won't do them. It's really simple. This is our channel. It's not just a channel for me, but I would also want to make sure that I'm making videos that are meaningful to you guys, right? I make videos off of, okay, I was going through financial insecurity. You guys know I haven't been working in a while, but in the meantime, even though I'm not working a traditional job, I'm always working. And I tell you guys that all the time. I'm building courses for my stand store and I'm doing so many other things. And I just hope that whatever I'm doing, and I'm not just building it to sell to you guys. Like, do I want you guys to purchase? Absolutely. But if it's just inspiring you to go out and do something that you want to do or something that you're looking forward to doing, that's my goal as well. Like my goal is to help you build your confidence and not just, physical. Like I want you to build your confidence in all areas of your life because at the end of the day, it takes a village, and all of us, we all have children who look up to us and they're waiting for us to do something great so that they know that when it's their time to step up, they can do it. So each one teach one, and let's inspire each other, right? Financial independence is not just about money, but it is about building your self-confidence and maintaining a positive mindset. It's about showing yourself and your children that what's possible when you believe in your own strength. And we all know Philippians tells us we could do all things through Christ who strengthens us, right? So tell me in the comments below, which of these income streams or passive income ideas are you excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you're looking for more resources, make sure that you click the links down in the description. It got everything that you need, that everything that we spoke about today. You'll find my free ebook in there, Thrive Post Divorce, Rediscover Yourself and Shine. I got my digital planners, affirmation cards, outfit inspo, whatever you got, I need. No, that's wrong. Whatever you need, I got. There we go. Thank you for joining me today. Embrace your journey, wear it with style, and remember, you are not alone. Until next time, keep thriving, keep smiling, be beautiful, be yourself, and most importantly, stay true naturally.